Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Palm Deira at the Hyatt Regency and we're going to tour a 2-bedroom apartment. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Senator Junior, let's go. This is the family lounge. And then this is a pretty nice size TV. And I just like this color, I don't know why, but you get an amazing view of the port from the lounge. You can actually see all the ships and cruise liners right down there. So the metro station is about a 5-minute walk from the apartment. It's right down this way. This is the dining area. I think this could fit more than 4 people because it's a very big table actually. So this is the kitchenette. You have your fridge, your oven, microwave, plates and stuff. So you have all the cutlery and your cooker and everything. And there's a dishwasher as well. So let's go and check out the master bedroom and the bathrooms. It's a washing machine here for your clothes and stuff. So you have your safe and then a space for your clothes and stuff, hangers and stuff. A little room space. You have a little TV, all cable channels and everything. With a queen size bed. Yeah, it's pretty big and soft by the way. And there's a little work area. So you get the same view from the family lounge in the master bedroom as well. You can see the whole port and everything. Yeah. And you can see people sunbathing as well. So this is the second bedroom. This room has 2 double beds, and as the master bedroom and then the lounge, you get the same view of the port as well from here. And then you have space for storage, clothes and stuff, and yeah, more storage for your stuff as well. Yep, that's about it. Bathroom. Thank you guys for coming on this tour with me. I hope you enjoyed the place. I'm gonna put all the booking information in the description below so you guys can book this apartment. And please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. It's a nice time for you guys to go.